So welcome to Alex's Wardrobe, and this is of course a fun spook season edition. So I'm so pleased to have you here today. I've got a few little ideas for something we could put together. Now I have done a video something like this last year, and I'm going to do you a re-edited version at some stage. I'll get to that, but I thought we could go with some really lovely new ideas. What do you think? Okay. So my thesis always is that when Halloween comes around and you need to put together a sexy, gorgeous costume, you've probably already got most of it in your home. That is the truth of it. So of course, as we know, it wouldn't be a haul for me without boots. So I think boots are your best friend when it comes to collating an outfit. Today we're going to be using these amazing thigh-high flat chunky boots, very beautiful. This gorgeous red leather stilettos, and also I've got a very similar pair, slightly taller. No, they're very similar. I have a black, ooh, look at that, there's a thumbnail right there. I have a beautiful black pair of stilettos with the red base as well. So I think adding boots to your costume is going to immediately give us a great start. And now let me explain to you what I was trying to say about things you probably already have. And if you don't have them, then we could be looking at something really easy to achieve. You know, a pound shop, dollar store kind of accessory is what I'm thinking. Let me show you some examples. So here I have a black, can you hear that? A black plastic bunny mask, very simple, I'm thinking. This was a great one. This was like £2 or $2. This is beautiful. So it's like a skull hand holding a skull mask. Terrifying. Beautiful accessory, I think. We also have these again. This was like a headband. Let me take this off. So this is just a headband with these wonderful decorations on. I mean, you could make something like this, but honestly, at this time of the year, just go buy something from the dollar store, honestly. I have a veil. This was from another costume. So I have this pretty veil that I thought we could definitely use. And then I also found from Easter, this is what I'm saying, please take a look in your dress up box or wherever you keep your accessories or odd bits and pieces. There are additional things. I have these two bunny ears. Now of course we are not going to go with the strict regular costumes because that would be boring, right? No, we're going to need to add pantyhose, obviously. Sorry, that noise was atrocious. Pantyhose. And let's see what I've brought out for this. So I've got a great collection here. I got some brand new opaque thick pantyhose. These are lovely, great for winter. I actually bought these obviously to just be wearing, but I've got them in a size large. I tend to buy all my pantyhose in a size large. The reality is the stretch on them is going to be the most comfortable, and whether you get a small or a large, you're going to squeeze into them, but you want them to be comfortable. So, and the length as well. The length on the leg is really good if you go with large. Okay, that's one pair. I also have this pretty pair. Now you've seen these before. I'm not sure if they're showing on camera. I might have to do a close-up for you of those in a second. They are my polka dot pantyhose. And then I was thinking of something a bit cheeky. I've got this gorgeous all-in-one bodysuit that has these white fishnet pantyhose too. So I thought we could try something exciting with them. If they don't work, I do have some white tights, so we can try those. Well, there's all the accessories. That is a lot, right? So we should perhaps try and do a nice try on for you, and will you let me know in the comments which outfit is your favorite, which do you think would work, you know, like the best for a lovely Halloween scene. I'd love to know what you think. I know that you've already seen my red leather dress and red boots, so I just don't want to bore you by bringing you all the same stuff. That just doesn't seem like it's going to be fun. I want to bring you new and original content. So shall we see what these costumes look like? So for my first costume, I went very simple with a plain black bodysuit. This is a lovely faux leather one, as you can see. And this one has like a full bottom, so it's fine for YouTube. And it's fur lined as well, so it's really lovely and warm. I thought we'd go with the plain black stilettos, as you can see here. And these gorgeous opaque black pantyhose. Completely black, as you can see, completely opaque. There's no actually there is a reinforced toe, but you can't see it. So yeah, very thick and delicious. So what I'll do is I'll show you the pantyhose first, and then I'm going to show you how to turn this incredibly simple outfit into something a little bit more Halloween appropriate. Are you ready? I'm going to move over because you're going to need to see on this side of the screen what we're doing with the outfit. Alright, so let's take a look at this as a full outfit. You can see here, how lovely is this? It's pretty, right? I think we need to lift you up a little bit. Let's bring you in. Let me just bring you up very slightly and see if that's a better angle. Oh, there we go. I'm missing my head. Right, so how do we turn this very simple black boots, black body into a very cool outfit? So I had a look through my collection. I found this lovely veil, which I thought was pretty cool. Now if we just get this to where the little clip is, we can pop this in. So the transformation is so simple and I think so effective. So straight away we look horrifying with the lovely veil. I actually also thought to make this veil really something special, I'm going to come down really low for you. I thought adding these in, how good does that look? So these were £2 I think in the pound store. Adding those over the top of a veil or even a bit of black fabric. You don't have to buy these things. Grab some black fabric, pin it into a little bun. Looking gorgeous, I think. Right, so let's take a look at this, shall we? Let's take a look at this. And then, so you can see the veil looks fabulous at the back. So I'm going for a bit of a dark, evil demon. And I figured this also was another £2. What a beautiful accessory. Is she terrifying? Is she like a skull demon, an evil witch, a bone witch? Who knows? But perfect for Halloween, right? And we hardly bought anything at all. What's your thoughts? Mid-sized, middle-aged woman, covered up but still sexy. We've got the whole pantyhose thing going on. Really beautiful. These opaque ones were from Primark and they're actually, as you can see, really lovely quality. Very thick, very easy to move in, very, very comfortable. Let me know, is this a good little Halloween outfit? Would you take me on a spooky date in it? Comment for me. And I'll show you the next outfit. So I've realised quite quickly, oh wait, we need to lift it up again. Alright, let's try that again. So I've realised quite quickly I have so many options for these outfits. So I think we're going to stick to 2 in this episode, and then I'll bring you some others in an additional episode. How does that sound? There's literally so many. Maybe we could do like a fancy dress series of how would you wear your pantyhose for the best fancy dress outfit. I feel like that could be lovely. I mean, we do have New Year coming, and that also means lots and lots and lots of parties. So this was my next idea for a fun and saucy outfit. Now, obviously, I have red boots and a red corset. We don't need red boots or a red corset. I just thought they were super fun for this outfit. But you could do black boots, any black boots you have, any black corset, lovely black pantyhose. Now, I had plain white pantyhose for this, which again would look fabulous, I think. But I also had these amazing fishnet ones, which I'm really loving. And I thought they'd bring a little element of something new. So what I'll do, I'll take you alongside now and we'll add in the footage of how I've really, really simply turned this into a Halloween costume. I mean, it doesn't get any more simple, I can assure you. Alright, so let's take a look at this next outfit that I've got for you. As you can see, I've popped on a pair of black frilly hot pants. I mean, again, any hot pants will be fine. Little shorts, ruche them at the sides to give that nice shape. What I do want to say is a corset for us buxom ladies, also who are, you know, going through menopause and all of those things. It's great to have something to nip the waist in and just make you feel a little bit sexier. Now, what's your thoughts on the red boots? I personally think they're incredible and they work really well with this outfit. But of course, let's turn it into an outfit. So, you probably saw, I'll bring this into here. You probably saw I have two of these. So I have the soft little bunny ears. Let's pop those on and try them. So, all of a sudden, she's not just a little lady in her red corset. She's a naughty little bunny. A very, very hot little bunny, I'm thinking. Hot little bunny, hop, 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 hot little bunny, hop, 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 hop. I'm sure that's how the song goes, isn't it? So this is my first mask. Well, this is not a mask, this is just a little hairband. So super simple. You can grab that from your Easter collection. But this one is gorgeous. I'm going to bring this a bit closer. So this is a plastic mask, can you see? We're going to slip my glasses off for that and we'll just go back and pop this on. I think this is probably my preferred look, as I just think this is a little bit more alluring, aloof, isn't it? It's a bit more secretive for Halloween. What do you think? They're very big ears. Let me bring them up close to you. I'm just going to come down here so you can see. Right, can you see those? Oh, need to even lift you up a bit to have a look. They're so tall. Look how tall the ears are on these. But actually, I think they work amazingly, don't you? Sorry, the ASMR in me is just going crazy with these ears. Okay, let's go back and take a look again with just these taller ears. So bear with me. Oh, I love these. Oh, and while we're here, can we just get a really good look at these fabulous white fishnet, but they've got a beautiful pattern on them. I'm sure you can see that. They've really got a fantastic pattern that goes all the way up, and I think is actually very, very flattering. Again, if you're looking at something to, you know, disguise some of those like wobbly bits, we've all got them. Wobbly bits here, wobbly bits there. You know, I'm sure a lot of you like the jiggle. But for those of us who worry a bit about it, not so keen on it, these are really amazing. And these are from Temu, so you can find these on their webpage. There's a whole collection of them. I mean, they have them in every colour. It's actually a bodysuit, so it goes all the way up. I think I might have tucked, yeah, you can just see there, I tucked some straps in. But I just tuck those in, so you can wear it as a full bodysuit, wear the outfit. As you can see, these do have a little cutout there, which is absolutely amazing if you're all corseted up, but you are going to need the bathroom at some point in the evening. So these work really well for that. So please let me know down in the comments which was your favourite outfit, and I shall bring you some more pantyhose Halloween costumes. So I'm absolutely desperate to know which were your favourites. Did you love the white plastic mask? Did you like the classic bunny ears? I was thinking you could take a little bit of cotton wool and just stick that to the back of your costume to give you that fluffy bunny outfit. I really want to know which did you prefer, and please let me know in the comments, would you like to see some more pantyhose content ideas for Halloween? Because honestly, I've got hundreds of outfits. I should have allocated like a whole day to filming them. I might do tomorrow actually. So thank you so much for being here with me today. As always, if you're not subscribed, get subscribed now. If you love pantyhose and you love boots and you love leather and you love gloves, you are in the right place. Glove Goddess Keeper is all yours. You can find all the links to my other subscription pages. Sorry, I had to think them. Subscription pages in my bio. So it's my link tree you'll need, and you will probably want to find the Goddess page. You'll get a lot of behind the scenes content and just daily fun uploads. Oh, honestly, I'm not even going to go into it. I've said it before. It's not the sort of page that you subscribe to and you get one like sexy photo each day. Not at all. This is a fun page with tons of content that's going to come your way. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and please make sure you do leave me a comment. I know many of you understand that the algorithm really needs to see the interaction to know that you're enjoying this, and the more you enjoy it, the more I will bring you. Mwah. Happy spook season, my darlings. Oops, I forgot to tell you as well. If you're into your more creepy ASMR and you just want to listen to me soothe you in the most sensual but relaxing way, please look in the description for my ASMR channels where you can see more of me. Happy listening, darlings.